Akuma. Those two I think are my worst matchups in tournament.
Volume 10.
I don't care about fighting Hakan. People think I hate fighting Hakan, but I really don't care fighting him. Just because of infiltration beat me. Really extremely close. I really don't care.
Your destiny will be determined here.
I feel this match is Borak favor also. I can super his spokes, the forward fierce, and I can super his forward roundhouse too. Alright, so he's just pressing buttons all the time. Okay. So I just have to be careful now. And I guess turn punch more? Let's see. That's a waste. Oh my god, that is gonna hurt so much. Yo, damn. Nope. Oh yeah, shimmy. I will use it because I want him in the corner. Also, it's half health. Okay. It's over. It should have been over, but yeah.